Here's how you can move your Claude website into WordPress in just a few simple steps, because I just did it. My name is Zachary. I'm a social media growth strategist and designer here at Atarim who's currently moving my website from Wix into Claude because I'm kind of tired of the limitations that come with drag and drop. I've got this beautiful website that Claude did over the weekend. You can see there's some placeholder bits here and there. Right now it's just raw HTML, and I kept thinking, how am I going to bring this Claude site into WordPress? There's a few ways you can do it, but I ultimately decided that I wanted to do it as a custom theme and just upload it that way. I just told Claude what I wanted to do with it. Give me a WordPress theme for this project, including everything they will need: header, footer, fonts, colors, and then I hit send. And then after a few minutes, it came back with something that I can download. After that, log into WordPress and go to Appearance and then Themes, and then Install New Theme. Add the file that Claude just gave you and click Install Now. And you can see it was added successfully. With our theme set up, which is our header, our footer, our font, and our colors, here's how you can move the rest of the pages into WordPress. So what I've done is have Claude prepare the HTML for me for every page, and we're gonna go ahead and use the portfolio page as an example. Click HTML, and let's go back to WordPress. Click on Pages, Add Page. So here's our blank page right here. Click the plus sign, and let's type in HTML. Click Custom, Edit, and then paste that HTML into the block, and the page should appear. Now what you want to do next is go to Page, and we're just going to make sure that our page is the entire width, which is what kind of messed me up. Click Full Width, Save, and then publish. Here's the page on the live website. It looks really nice other than this placeholder stuff, but I'll swap that out. That's it. Just repeat these steps for the rest of the pages. I have about 20, so it took me about 30 minutes total. There's two quick bits of cleanup we have to do. First, I need you to set your home page, so you can go to Settings and then Reading. Click on Static Page and then Homepage, and you can pick which one you want. So we're just going to do Homepage. So now people will automatically be directed here rather than a blank blog page. And lastly, just remember to set your nav bar up, which you can do under Appearance and then Menus, and then you have to manually add each one. If you enjoyed this video, you've got to check out the new one Vito did on how he rebuilt our entire website in 3 days using Claude and the Atarim MCP. It's a really cool breakdown on how we work within the team. My name is Zachary, and I'll catch you in the next one.